The city of Philadelphia has some of the richest history of African Americans fighting for freedom, liberation, and independence. From Reverend Anderson, who founded Berean Institute in the 1800s, to Cecil B Moore and his epic march on Girard College for the sake of integration, the African Americans of this city have been contributing and fighting for each other and the rest of the world like no other. And right in the middle of this community sits a pillar of hope that has been here for over 100 years. 1901 Girard has served as an institution of hope, of freedom, and of prosperity for generations of African Americans in this world for years. And we continue that legacy today. So as we celebrate Juneteenth, we not only acknowledge the accomplishments of those that came before us, but we remind you that the journey continues as we fight for freedom, liberation, and independence.